After countless attempts to capture Fukuko and Charmander, Meowth has settled on one thing: to have a final battle. If Meowth wins, they leave the island and never come back. If Fukuko and Charmander win, Meowth will hopefully become their friend and join them. Who will win? Find out in Pokemon Plush: A Hero's Journey. Whew, alright, gotta get ready. This is the battle of all battles. Right, Charmander? Yep, and this really counts. Because if we win, he'll become our friend, hopefully. Or he could just be tricking us. But he's had so many attempts to defeat us. But we win every time. True. I just hope this works, because, well, once we, either befriend him or he leaves, we can finally start our real journey. Yeah, I wish that day was today. Well, guess what? It could be. You're right. So let's go into his lair. Oh, that doesn't sound too great. And finish this once and for all. Yeah, because who knows? Maybe this is real. I hope so. Come on, let's go. Meh. After so many attempts to defeat them, I still haven't. And every single day, I try a new scheme, but they'll never leave. They're just always like, we won't leave till you make friends with us or something. So that's why I'm going to end it today. Hopefully, I'm going to win. And they'll leave forever and leave me alone. But if I lose, which I won't, I'll have to be their friend. Which, they're alright, but I don't want to be their friend. From that big battle we had. They're so annoying. I hate them. Anyways, I think they're here. So I better be prepared for a battle. Meowth, Charmander, Fukuko. You agreed for this to be the last battle. Is that true? Yes. I finally decided to end it all with one battle. Because I promised myself I will win. Oh yeah, guess what? You're not. Fukuko, stop. So, the agreement's still fair? If we win, you become our friend. And if we lose, we'll leave forever. Yeah, but anyways, I'm gonna defeat you. Because guess what? The last thing I ever want to do in this world is become your friend. Oh, come on, that's so rude. Do you think we actually want to be your friend? Hey. Okay, fine, we do. We just want, for you to join our journey. Because, we can't just leave you mad at us forever. Yeah, he's right. We gotta settle things. And today, that's what we're gonna do. Yep. So, you ready? Yep. Alright, then let the battle begin. Pokemon Battle, Side 1, Charmander and Fukuko versus Meowth. Prepare to go down. Oh yeah? Prepare to, join us. Oh yeah, we'll see about that. 3, 2, 1, go! Ember, up! Tackle. You okay? Great. Flamethrower. Scratch. Ow. Ha. Flamethrower! I'm not done yet. Oh yeah? Neither are we. Scratch! I we sure we can defeat him? Positive. Come on, get back out there. Ember, yeah! Dodged it. You won't be able to dodge this. Flamethrower. Yeah. Ow. You're right. I couldn't dodge that one. Scratch. Yeah. This ends now. Ember, again. You think you're gonna defeat me? Ow. I spoke too soon. Great job. Yeah. I'm not done yet. Yeah. That should keep him down. What do we do now? It's time I call in an old friend. Who's that? You'll see. But for now, tackle. Yeah. Ember. Ow. Hey, that's not fair. Tackle. Yeah. Come on, where are you? Yeah. I'm undefeated. Where's that friend you speak of? He'll be here soon. Wait. I think it's just in time. No way! One. Yeah! There he is. The one. The only. Charizard! Glad you came, buddy. No problem. This week, Meowth is the one who was messing with you. Am I correct? Ooh, he gonna kick his butt? Yes. You two. Battle him first. Then I'll be ready. Ooh, I'll go. Alright then. It looks like Meowth has a new opponent. Charizard. Go! Remember what I said. Okay, Ember, I better get used to this. Charizard's gonna beat me up. Yeah! I'll go out. Flamethrower! Yeah! Ow! Oh boy, this is gonna be a long night. How about scratch? Yeah! You really think those weakling moves will defeat them? Weakling? Who are you calling weak? You. Yeah! The days of you picking on Charmander and Fukuko are over. Ow! Do you understand? Sorry. I don't speak dumb fire type. Yeah! Uh-oh. What did you just call me? Dumb fire type. Oh, he's in for it now. Do you think he'll surrender? Probably. Oh, good. You know what? I just realized, I had to, take a shower, yeah. No, you're not going anywhere. No! Uh-oh, what's he doing? I don't know. Get on my back. Yeah. Uh-oh. Hold on. Yeah! What are we doing here? We're ending this. That's what we're doing. No, please. I'd rather not. Should I? He fell. Charizard, no! Oh no. We gotta get him. Told you, you can't defeat me. Oh yeah? But what if I told you we could? Yeah. What are you gonna do? You've been fighting me this whole time, but you've lost to us every single time. True, but this is the final battle, and I'm prepared. Well, so are we! Yeah. Oh boy. Okay. Come on, let's go check if they're okay. Yeah. Is he okay?
I'm not sure. He's been down on the ground this whole time.
Meowth? Ow. So I guess that means we win? Or did we? I don't want to battle you anymore. This is over. You mean, yes. I've seen you guys are powerful, and I respect you. But the thing is, you don't deserve you don't need a friend like me. I'm bad. Oh, you don't have to be that bad. Yeah, no. We wanted to this whole time. I just feel really bad. Always being so mean. So can we be friends? Yep, And I'll join your journey. And for Charizard, I'll stay far away from you.
Sounds like a good idea to me.
I just wish there was some way I could make it up to you. No, you don't have to. Yeah, we're fine. Well, that's good. So where are we supposed to go now? Come on, I'll show you the other part of the island. There's another part? Yeah. Since you were so rude to everyone, we left. Oh, that's bad. But I'm sure they'll be happy to know you changed. That's good. Anyways, come on, let's go. Yeah. You know what? I think I finally thought of the best idea. Tomorrow, I'm gonna make that day the best day ever.